This is the 8th of May, 2023. We're at Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida. We're going to run a test here. We have a small sample, ecobiome, and it's in powder form. Since we are going to pour it in the pail and soak it with water, and then we're going to run it in the CP4 press. I'm leaving material from a previous test in the press to form a plug to start with, and we'll feed it into the press and then chase it out for some other sample. This material mixes very poorly with water. I wonder if we're supposed to use oil or some solvent. If so, we'll have to run the test over again with another sample. But you can see the poor mixing that occurs. Okay, we've got the air cylinder in. We're stirring up the material. We have added some press aid. I stopped the press. And now I start the press. Have the cone closed. I see some water coming out. Lo puedes echar todo ahí adentro. Air pressure is set at 2 bar, 30 psi. There's our sample. Starting to push out the material from the last test, which I believe was fiberglass. And in the inlet hopper, we still have some of our press aid floating. You can see the screw trying to feed things in. The material from the previous test coming out okay. We'll keep it stirred, moving stuff along in there. I hope to get a sample that we can, I may have seen a little bit of wood fiber come out there at the beginning. Anyway, now I'm going to chase it out with some more of this cellulose fiber. Lo puedes ir mezclando. This must be our sample material coming out. I'll grab a baggage for moisture analysis. Okay, I have a sample of the press liquor here. We'll do a moisture analysis, stir it up, see how much solids came through. I put some in the bottle there. We'll see how it settles out. In the meantime, I think I'll just go on a plant tour. The test area is back there. And here's the screw department. Lights, screws. Screws being either manufactured, bigger screw, more lights. We do have a lot of screws in this place. And there you see some more work on screws. A 4-inch one, and look at the shaft and the one behind it. This is the assembly department. See them doing some polishing or grinding other presses. In the background back there is a fiber filter, a small press, a big fiber filter, welding out the frame for a press, and here we have an even bigger one for supermarket waste, making it into feedstock for a biogas digester. Okay, here's what happened. The solids settle out tremendously, so they were all going through the screen. We checked the screen, and it had a very, very tight slot width. It measured from .002 to .006, and .006 is 150 microns. So we were down at 50 to 150 microns, and it went right through the screen of the press.